In this video, I will show you how to select a right color in Color Picker while using monochromatic and complementary color schemes. For this example, I will choose colors for this business card. First step for adding colors to any project is to choose the main color. The main color could be according to the color of the company that you can find it in the company's logo, or common colors for a specific business, like red or orange for fast food restaurants and blue or green for technology-based industries. We can always use black, white, and gray colors with other colors in our projects. It's important to don't get confused between COLORWILL that we use for selecting our color schemes and the color system that we use to select a color on the color picker in software, because they are different. If we select blue color as our main color for monochromatic color scheme, the card could be look like this. But of course you can change the shades, tints and tones according to your taste, like this one. Let's see how it will look with green color. As a trick, you can use Hue Saturation panel to simply change the whole colors. In some software, it's from 0 to 360 degrees, and in some of them, it's from minus 180 to plus 180, but totally it shows 360 degrees. Just change the hue to minus 80 degree to see it as a green color. Because we have blue sky with 200 degree on hue, the result will be bright green. Now to see it as red, we need to reach to 360 degree. So just add 160 to 200 to reach to that point. For complementary color scheme, as our first option, we will have red with green. To select red color, we can use HSP system by typing 0 or 360 on H, and 100 for S, which is saturation, and 100 for B, which is brightness. Or in RGB system, we can write 255, 0 and 0. Or even work with hex code FF0000. They are all selecting the same color. If you're looking for tinted red color, which is when you mix red color with white color, we can easily decrease the saturation or moving to the left side on the color picker. We can do the same for green color as well. Easy way to select green color is using RGB system, because RGB stands for red, green and blue. So when red and blue value is 0, and then any value for G till 255 will be green color. If we want to select darker green, we can use smaller values. In the same time, you can see that green in HSP system is 120, 100 and 100. And by decreasing value of green in RGB system, we actually decrease the brightness of the color in HSP system. To selecting line green in HSP, we can write 90 for hue, and to select spring green color, we need to type 150 there. For blue and orange complementary color scheme, we can add 240 for hue on HSP system and selecting the blue color. If you're looking for sky blue, you can decrease it to 210, and for deep sky blue to 200. But less than that on 180 is cyan color. To selecting orange color, just easily write 30 for hue. And if you want to make it lighter, just decrease the saturation. By reaching to 45, you select the tan color, and on 30 it will be peach color. In another hand, if you're looking for darker orange color, you need to decrease the brightness. But if make it so dark, the color would be brown color. As you know, brown color is shade of orange, and orange is mixture of red and yellow. For yellow and purple complementary color scheme, we select yellow color by typing 60 on hue and any saturation and brightness that we think is right, and then selecting the purple color. Purple is mixture of blue and red, so we know that blue is on 240 degree of color system while red is on 360 degree. So between these two number is 300, but the brightness should be 50. In another hand, for RGB system is the same. The value of R as red and B as blue should be equal, but with 50% brightness of that full value, which will be 128, 0, and 128. If we use full value and full brightness, the color would be magenta color and not purple. You can use our color table to have access to all of these codes for any color, and by understanding the systems and memorizing these numbers, you will work so much faster with selecting colors, and you can always be sure about selecting the right color.